Okay, hello everybody. Today, see me again for teaching English. Yes. So in this video, I would like to teach you about the English vowels. In these videos, I would like to teach you about 5 vowels. Yes. 5 vowels, it is the last lesson for the English letter learning for part 5. Yes, the last one for this lesson. So, in these lessons, I would like to teach you about A, it is the vowels. Yes. A, it is a vowels. Okay. And it's a capital S and a lowercase a. But it is not a consonant. It is a vowels. Yes? Okay. And difficult S, A, capital S, and lowercase a. Okay? And it's simple like the word any. Any. So the first, it is a A. It is a vowel. And then we read Annie's. Annie's, yes. Okay. So after we study about E, yes. And this one, it is a capital E and a lowercase e, yes. And this one, it is a vowels, yeah. It is a vowels. Capital E and lowercase e, yes. But it is not a consonant, okay? It is a vowels. Capital E and lowercase e. E, the sound, yes. And it's important, you can see that it's important, it is a 8 milli, yeah? 8 milli, it sound, it is vowels, yeah. It is a vowels. So 8 milli, okay? And the next, we study about the vowels I, yes, capital I and lowercase I, yes. It is also vowels. And it's simple, you see, it is eyes, 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 yeah? Eyes, 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 it is a word, yes, a word. Normally the people would like to drink, to make a water cold, yes, it is ice. Okay, so the next we study about you, yes, it's also as vowels. Capital U and lowercase u, yeah? Capital U and lowercase u. U and U, the sound is vowels. And the example like this, it is a uniform, okay? Uniform. Uniform, you see the picture, yes. Uniform is the first, it is a vowel, U. Start with U, it is a vowel. So we call uni, uniform. Uni is uniform. And uniform, it is like the company, like the school, the people work for the company, they need a uniform, yeah, for dress up, like the same color like this. So it is a uniform. And the other example, like the school, all the students need to dress up with a uniform, but not this color, the other color, okay? So it is the example of the vowel use. U, it is a vowel, and we read uniform, uniform. It is a U. Okay, so the last vowels, we study about O, yes? The capital O you have known already, that you study English with me for part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. So in this lesson is part 6 for the last lesson that we study about the vowels, yeah. So the last one is also a vowel. It is a capital O and lowercase o, yes? Lowercase o and capital O, 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 O. And it's simple. You see the example? It is a O, start with O, it is a vowel. And I is also the vowel. And L, it is a consonant, okay? So we call it oich, oil, 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 drum, oil, drums, oil, drum, oil, drum, oil, drum, yes? Oil, drum. Oil drum, picture you see, it is the oil content inside. So it is a vowels. Easy to understand and not complex for in this lesson. Okay? Okay. So we finish for the English letter learning from part 1 to part 6. And I hope all of you understand. If you don't understand some lesson, you can comment below in description or in the video to ask me to get more information about what do you want, what you don't understand. And the next video later, I will teach you about the phonetic. Yeah, I speak a lot about phonetic. In this video, I want you to know about the English letter learning from part 1 to part 6. Yeah, that content with the consonant and vowels. Yeah, consonants and vowels. Yeah. So the other lesson and new video, I will make other lesson that teach you about the phonetic. Start from part 1 until the end for the English phonetics. Why do we need to learn phonetics? Phonetics, it is very important that all the English learner must understand. If you understand about phonetics, it is very easy for you to communicate with the foreigner, with the people in the world. Very easy to understand what you mean. And when you speak to all of them, they easy to understand what you mean. When they speak, you easy to understand what they speak. Yeah, it is an AI pronunciation. Really specific and very important for all the English learner much to understand about phonetic. Okay, so for this lesson, phonetic lesson, don't forget, see me for the next and a new lesson. I will explain you very clear from one to one about the phonetic. Okay? And I hope you like and enjoy. And thank you very much. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.